Morning students, today we will do the chapter mean. Already we have done this many numericals of this chapter, that is center tendency of mean. So the next numerical is related with calculation of corrected arithmetic mean. Fine. So as told you earlier also, whenever you are doing any numerical, first learn the formula. So this is the formula of this topic, calculation of corrected arithmetic mean. So this is equal to corrected mean is equal to sigma x wrong value plus corrected value minus incorrect value divided by number of item. So students, your first task is to learn this formula, and then you are ready to do the numerical. The average weight of this is the numerical, the average weight of a group of 25 boys. So 25 boys, it means this is the number of student. Okay, so shall I write it over here? Number of student is 25, was calculated to be 52 kg. I am repeating again, the average weight of a group of 25 boys was calculated to be 52 kg. It means average weight is 52 kg. It means they are talking about mean is 52 kg. It was later discovered that one weight was misread as 45 kg instead of 54 kg. Calculate the corrected average weight. Okay, so this is given to you. So इससे आपको पता लग जाएगा कि okay, I have to calculate the corrected average weight. So you will use this formula over here. Fine. So let it see over here how to do it. Mean, firstly you will write mean is equal to sigma x upon n. Already I have told you regarding the same mean. So I am having the value of mean 52. Okay, 52. Sigma x we are not having. Okay, so 25 number of students we are also having. So by cross multiplying we will get 52 into 25 is equal to 1300. So we got the value of sigma x is equal to 1300. But our formula is sigma w wrong plus corrected value minus incorrected value divided by n. So mean we are not having, sigma x wrong this we are getting it. हमें ये मिल चुका है sigma x wrong, that is 1300. Corrected value, just check it over here, the numerical. It was later discovered that one weight was misread as 45 kg instead of 50. मतलब 54 kg की जगह वो गलती से क्या पड़ा गया, 45 kg. It means corrected value is 54 and incorrected value is 45. सो करेक्टेड वैल्यू को आप ऐड कर देंगे, इनकरेक्टेड वैल्यू को आप माइनस कर देंगे. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट दैट विल रिमेन सेम, दैट इज 25. सो बाय calculating it we will get the value 1309 divided by 25. So the answer is, by dividing it we will get 52.36 kg. So this is the simple formula or simple numerical of this topic. Fine. Next, just check it out. Finding the missing value. Again you will learn the formula mean missing, find the missing value. So here the one value is not given to you, you are supposed to calculate it. So mean is equal to x1 x2 x3 plus this value suppose is not given to you, plus x5 divided by n. Okay, so just check it out, you will understand it in a better way. Mean of series of 5 item is mean of series of 5 item. It means again n is equal to 5 item, मतलब number of item कितनी है, 5. 25, it means mean कितना है, 25. Okay, so mean is 25, number of item are 5. So value of 4 item, it means I can write the formula over here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by number of item. So mean is equal to, instead of mean I can write 25. x1 is 10, first value. Second value you can check it over here as well as here, आप यहाँ दोनों तरफ चेक कर सकते हैं. x2 is 20, 25. Fine. x3 is 35, x4 is 40, but x5 is not given to you. So I can take x5. Okay, because value is not given over here. Number of item, how many? 5 item. Okay, so let it cross multiply it, 25 into 5, and I'm adding all the numbers. इन सबको मैं add कर रही हूँ. So what we are getting? 110 plus x by 5. Is it clear? Now 25 into 5, that is to 125 equal to 110 plus x5. So ये वैल्यू इसको इधर भेज देते हैं. It will प्लस से माइनस हो जाएगी x5. So what is the value of x5 is 15. So we got our answer that 15 is the answer of this question. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. By only putting the formula, whatever the value, suppose the value is x3 is not given, तो आप x3 पर डैश लगा देंगे और you will write x3 over there. बाकी आप सारी values लिख देंगे. Okay, next one. This is the combined arithmetic mean. Okay, so find out combined mean. Sometimes the combined mean is given to you. Okay, let us see. This type of numerical will be given to you. Mean, number of items, series x1, series x1 और x2, two series. Combined mean है ना, तो इसका मतलब two series are given to you. ठीक है, this is the formula of combined mean. n1 mean plus n by 2 mean 2 divided by n1 plus n by 2. There are so many numerical formulas of mean chapter, so you are supposed to learn all this formula, and the numericals are not very difficult. Okay, only the number of formulas are there. Okay, so let us see over here. n1 number of item. If you will see number of item क्या है, 80 and 60. मीन कितना है, 12 and 20. So that is easy. मीन I have written 12, मीन 2 I have written 20. नंबर ऑफ आइटम 1 जो है सीरीज की 80 है, 2 सीरीज की 60 है. So let it put the value. n1 instead of n1 can I write 80? Mean I'm writing 12 over here, and then n2 is 60. Mean 2 is equal to 20. Clear? I'm just putting the value over here. n1 plus n by n2. n1 is 80, n2 is 60. So 80 multiplied by 12. Okay, so we will get 960, and here we will get 1200, and this is 140. Okay, by adding it. Okay, so again I'm adding it. So we will get 2160 divided by 140, and if we will divide it, we will get the answer 14.43. So this is the answer of this numerical. Fine. So I hope this is clear to you. Thank you, students.